Economics is changing. Digital transformation, big data, and platform-based markets are reshaping economies and policy decisions worldwide. Our MSc in Economics is designed for this new reality. You'll study in the heart of London, close to government, finance, and global business. You'll work with real-world data in our Bloomberg Financial Markets Lab and complete the Bloomberg Market Concept Certificate as part of the course. The programme combines strong economic foundations with a clear focus on digital economies, data analysis, and applied policy. You'll also develop practical skills in R and Stata and learn how to communicate complex economic ideas clearly to non-specialists, as well as benefiting from our career support through Zone 29, our home of careers and enterprise. This means our graduates don't just become economists, they move into roles in policy, consulting, finance, data analysis, technology-driven industries, and international organisations. And for those interested in research, the course provides a strong preparation for PhD study. If you're looking for an Economics MSc that's modern, applied, and career-focused in one of the world's leading economic hubs, this course is for you.